Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide by x on numerator and denominator. Now we have the formula in here. So for this one, we have sine of ax over ax equals to number 1, and the second one that is about arcsin of ax over ax equals to number 1 in here. So this one capital A that is about number 1 and number 1 in here. Similar for this one and this one. So when s approaches to number 0, this one and this one equals to number 1. So the final answer that is about 1 over 1, and that is about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.